10 travel hacks you need to know. Airplane, Africa. Hey travelers! Are you ready to take your adventures to the next level with these epic travel hacks? Hack number 1, roll, don't fold. Hack number 2, cube it up. Hack number 3, go digital with your docs. Hack number 4, power on the go. Hack number 5, offline maps for the win. Hack number 6, stay hydrated, go reusable. Hack number 7, speak the local lingo. Hack number 8, absolutely handy. Hack number 9, embrace cultural etiquette. And hack number 10, embrace spontaneity. There you have it, fellow adventurers! Now you're armed with these incredible travel hacks. So, pack your bags and get ready for the journey of a lifetime! Thanks for watching!